Congratulations, and welcome to Boston University's class of 2022. My name is John McEachern, and I am the Director of Admissions here at BU, and I'm also a double alumnus.
And I'd like to add my congratulations as well. My name is Ann Corriveau, and I'm the Director of International Admissions here at Boston University, where I've been for more than 20 years. And I am thrilled to welcome each and every one of you to our amazing global community.
Now, you've done so much for which you should be incredibly proud, and so much of that went into our decisions to admit you. Now, a lot of what went into our decisions was also about what you're going to bring to the Boston University community, and for that, we're incredibly excited. And what better way to get a sense of what our community is all about than to come to campus? Over the course of the next several weeks, we have a number of programs, from open houses offered by each of our undergraduate schools and colleges, and our admitted student visit program, which is offered daily here in the Leventhal Center.
Well, we hope you can get to Boston to see what BU has to offer. We're also hosting events around the United States and around the world. And if you can't get to a live event, we also have virtual events. And we have a special virtual event for international students who want to learn more about the immigration process as well. So with all those ways to learn about BU, we hope you'll take advantage of some of them, if not all of them. Thank you again, and congratulations.
Congratulations again, and we cannot wait to see you on campus.